Ever found yourself fascinated by the idea of merging SQL and NLP into the powerful combination for your projects? Today we are diving into the heart of this exciting fusion. Picture this. What if your queries to a database could be as simple as asking a question in plain English? Imagine the potential. Before we unravel the details, let us consider the role of NLP in transforming database interaction. How could it evolve the way we engage with the data? Now, think about the advanced SQL queries you believe would benefit most from the natural touch. With these questions in mind, let's embark on an exploration of the boundless possibilities that await when SQL and LLM come together. Welcome back to my channel. Let's dive right into the tech wonders. To begin, we need to install the necessary Python libraries. Open your terminal or in your Jupyter notebook and execute the following commands. Once our libraries are installed, we import the tools and modules we will be using in our Python script. This include LangChain for natural language understanding, Streamlit for creating a user interface, and more. We establish a connection to our MySQL database using the SQL database class, providing the necessary details like the username, password, and database name. Next, we configure an OpenAI language model for natural language understanding. This model will help us process and interpret queries written in plain English. To bridge the gap between language understanding and database interaction, we create a SQL database toolkit instance, combining the database connection and the OpenAI model. Now comes the exciting part. We create an SQL agent using our language model and database toolkit. This agent is designed to understand and react to zero-shot description in plain English. We have prepared a set of sample SQL queries as plain English. Let's execute them and see how our system responds. In this instance, if you can see, the question number 1 is find customer who have made purchase in the May of 2003. List the product categories along with the average prices. The third one is calculate the total sales revenue for each product. Retrieve the names of customer who place order in weekends. Calculate the average order value for the top customers. We execute each query and print the result. If there is an error, we handle it gracefully and display the error message. It will take some time to get the results from the database. Let's wait and see. Now let us print the result and see the answers. You can see here, the first question was find the customer who have made purchase in May 2003. And in the answer section, you can see the list of customer names and their information about the order date, or it could be order date, or it could be like the when they joined as our customer. So similarly, the second question is list the product categories along with the average prices. You can see in the answer section classic cars, trucks and buses, motorcycles, planes, ships, vintage cars. So you can see all the product name, and you can, and the next column you can also see the price as a decimal. So for example, classic car, the price is 64.44. Trucks and buses is having 56.32. Motorcycles is 50.68. So on and so forth. So you can see that, like with the plain English, like you are able to query your MySQL database with the help of large language model. So this is the power of large language model, and this will be very useful when you are going to fetch the record without writing much SQL queries. We have successfully built a system that understands natural language queries and translates them into SQL. This is just the beginning of the possibilities with Python, SQL, and LLM. Stay curious and keep exploring the fascinating world of tech. I have shared the GitHub link in the description. Please take a look, and you can also try the coding at your end. Happy coding. Thank you.